We start with CNS. CNS first chapter is Introduction to Computer Networks. So computer networks means group of interconnected computers. So we start with network. We start with network. So network means interconnection between two or more peoples or devices. Network means interconnection between two or more peoples or devices. So computer network means interconnection between two or more people or devices. So computer network means interconnection, or computer means computer network means group of interconnected computers. So definition of computer network. Computer network is a collection of hardware devices or hardware components which are interconnected to each other to wire or wireless medium for sharing information to each other, to sharing resources to each other. So definition: computer network is a collection of hardware devices or hardware components which are interconnected to each other to wire or wireless medium for sharing information to each other. So this is the definition of computer network. Computer network is a collection of hardware devices or hardware components which are interconnected to each other to wire or wireless medium for sharing information to each other. So wired or wireless medium. So wires are coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, and wireless devices are radio waves. So example of computer network or real-time example, which is a banking network, ATM, and third one is a online reservation system. Data communication. So data communication means exchange of data between two devices. So characteristics of a data communication. So data communication, next point is a data communication. Data communication means exchange of data between two devices or information sharing or exchange of data between two devices. Exchange of data between two devices. So data communication means information sharing. Data communication has four characteristics. Characteristics of data communication. First one is a delivery. In delivery, destination is important. Destination is important. To define, in delivery, 4 characteristics of data acquisition, that is the delivery, accuracy, timelines and jitter. So delivery means destination is important to define. Accuracy means accuracy of your communication. Third one is the timelines, means its deadline or its time period. Fourth one is a jitter. So jitter means delay. Jitter means delay, and jitter is related to packet arrival time. Related to packet arrival time. These are the 4 characteristics of data communication. These are the 4 characteristics of. Next point is components of data communication. Components of data communication. So data communication. So data communication has 5 components. This is a sender. This is a data communication diagram. A receiver, message. This is figure of data communication. So message, this is a transmission medium. So in the transmission medium we send a message, or message will be in the form of audio, video, text or image. So first component of data communication is sender. Sender, which device sends information or data message. Sender means which sends information. And data message. Sender devices will be computer, camera, node, etc. Second component is receiver. A receiver is a device which receives message from sender. Receiver is a device which receives message from sender. So receiver devices will be is computer, camera, node are the examples of receiver. Third one is a transmission medium. Transmission medium is a physical path between sender and receiver. Transmission medium is a physical path between sender to receiver, and it carries information or data message to sender to receiver. Transmission medium will be wired or wireless. So coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, radio waves, IR are the example of transmission medium. data representation. So in the data representation, data will be represented using text, audio, video, image. You can transmit any information in the number format, image format. So data can be formed in the this part. Fourth part of data communication is a protocol. Protocol means which is a set of rules. Set of rules. Protocol means set of rule. Or programmer and network are connected between the set of a rules or a certain rules called protocols. And fifth is message. Message means actual data or information that will be sent. Actual data or information to be sent. So these are the 5 components of data communication. First one is a sender, receiver, then transmission medium, protocol and message. So we see the data flow. So next point is data flow. So data flow means data flow in the direction, So data flow has 3 types. Data flow: simplex, half duplex, and third one is a full duplex. Data flow: simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So see one by one. First one is a simplex. Simplex data flow means data flow from only one direction. Simplex means data flow from one direction, or only one direction. This is a mainframe. So diagram: mainframe. This is a monitor. This is a direction of data. Example: TV remote. Second one is a half duplex. Half duplex means communication between two mediums one by one. So one by one means first at a time one, when it send suppose one message this time, and it give another message at second time, means it sends and it again it's a reply sent. So example is walkie-talkie. In the walkie-talkie, we first suppose this is a two walkie-talkie. First send he message to this monitor, so then it receive message and send again another message to first monitor. So it's half duplex. Example is walkie-talkie. Third one is full duplex. Full duplex means at a time communication between two computers or monitors. So at a time communication is represent in this way: data all the time, means all data communication at the one time. So example is mobile. And data flow direction is the both side in the full duplex data flow. These are the data flow types. These are the data flow types. So network criteria. Network, next point is network criteria. First one is performance, means performance of the network. Second one is a reliability, means it is a reliable or not checking. Third one is a security. Security is a must in network, means security. Then next point is physical structure, means physical structure, the communication done in this way. So physical structure, point to point, or second one is a multi-point. These are the two physical structure of representing network. So point to point communication means this is a point to point communication. Point to point means two computers are connected. Example is remote. This is a point to point communication. And second one is a multi point, means this is a mainframe and it has a connection of or interconnection of multiple computers. So this is a multi point. So this is a multi point communication structure, physical structure. So these are the communication physical structure. So next point is goals of computer networks. Goals of computer networks are to sharing resource information, provide inter-process communication, maximum performance at minimum cost, centralized management and allocation of network resources. What is the goals of computer network? First goal is a provide sharing of resources, such as information. Second one is a provide inter-process communication among user and processes. Second, provide inter-process communication. It is a short, I written in short form. Communication among user and processor. Also its next goal is provide the network user with maximum performance at minimum cost. Provide maximum performance at minimum cost. Provide centralized control for geographical distributed system. Fifth one is a provide centralized management and allocation of network resource and provide distribution of processing function. These are the goals of computer network.